step back in time and join us on a journey to explore one of the most significant monuments in the history of sports, the ancient Stadium of Olympia. Welcome to the world of history, sports, and adventure as we take you on a journey to explore one of the most significant monuments in the history of sports, the ancient Stadium of Olympia. The stadium, located in Greece, is considered the birthplace of the Olympic Games and holds a rich cultural and historical significance. The stadium was built in the 7th century BC and was capable of seating 40,000 spectators. It was used to host athletic events in honor of Zeus, the king of gods, and was considered a symbol of unity and peace for all Greek city-states. In this video, we'll take you back in time to discover the secrets of this magnificent stadium and its impact on modern sports. So buckle up and let's begin our journey to uncover the mysteries of the ancient Stadium of Olympia. The ancient Stadium of Olympia is not considered one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, which is a list of remarkable architectural and engineering structures built before the Middle Ages. However, it is considered one of the most significant monuments in the history of sports due to its cultural and historical significance as the birthplace of the Olympic Games. The stadium was a symbol of unity and peace for all Greek city-states and served as a model for modern stadiums in terms of its design and architecture. Its legacy has had a lasting impact on sports and continues to inspire people around the world. The ancient Stadium of Olympia holds a rich cultural and historical significance as the birthplace of the Olympic Games. The Olympic Games were a series of athletic competitions held every 4 years in honor of Zeus, the king of gods. The first Olympic Games were held in 776 BC and were considered a symbol of unity and peace for all Greek city-states. The stadium was used to host athletic events, including foot races, long jumps, shot puts, discus throws, and wrestling. The Olympic Games were not only a showcase of athletic skills but also a celebration of Greek culture and religion. The ancient Stadium of Olympia is considered one of the most significant monuments in the history of sports due to its historical and cultural significance as the birthplace of the Olympic Games. The legacy of the stadium has had a lasting impact on sports and continues to inspire people around the world. In modern times, the Olympic Games are held every 4 years and are considered the largest international sporting event, bringing together athletes from all over the world to compete and celebrate human achievement. The historical significance of the ancient Stadium of Olympia is a testament to the power of sports and its ability to bring people together and inspire future generations. The stadium was built using local materials, including stone and wood, and was constructed in a U-shape with a flat central area for the athletes to compete. The design of the stadium was inspired by Greek architectural principles and was considered a masterpiece of ancient engineering. One of the unique features of the ancient Stadium of Olympia was its starting line, which was made of marble and was equipped with grooves for the starting blocks. The starting line was considered a technological marvel for its time and served as a model for modern starting lines. The stadium also had a system of tunnels and rooms for the athletes to prepare and rest before their events. The architectural style of the stadium was simple and elegant, with a focus on functionality. The stadium was designed to provide an optimal viewing experience for the spectators and to showcase the athletic skills of the competitors. The ancient Stadium of Olympia served as a model for modern stadiums, and its design and architecture continue to inspire sports enthusiasts and architects around the world. The ancient Stadium of Olympia was used to host a variety of athletic events, including foot races, long jumps, shot puts, discus throws, and wrestling. The Olympic Games, held every 4 years in honor of Zeus, the king of gods, were the most significant events held in the stadium. The Olympic Games served not only as a showcase of athletic skills but also as a celebration of Greek culture and religion. The foot races were the most popular events held in the stadium and included sprints, middle distance, and long distance races. The long jumps and shot puts were also popular events and showcased the strength and athleticism of the competitors. The discus throw and wrestling were also key events that tested the endurance and agility of the athletes. The games were held in a religious context and were dedicated to Zeus, the king of gods. Athletes from all over Greece would come to compete in the games, and the events were accompanied by religious ceremonies, feasts, and sacrifices. The ancient stadium of Olympia has been subject to various forms of damage and deterioration over the centuries. In the 5th century AD, the stadium was destroyed by an earthquake, and in the following centuries, it was used as a quarry for building materials. In the 19th century, the German Archaeological Institute began the first systematic excavations of the site, and since then, various efforts have been made to restore and preserve the stadium. The restoration and preservation of the ancient stadium of Olympia is an ongoing process that requires careful planning and attention to detail. The restoration process has involved the reconstruction of damaged sections of the stadium, the preservation of the original materials, and the addition of modern technologies to protect the site from further damage. The ancient stadium of Olympia has had a lasting impact on modern sports, serving as the birthplace of the Olympic Games and inspiring the modern Olympic movement. The Olympic Games, which were first held in the stadium in 776 BC, have grown into a global phenomenon, bringing together athletes from all over the world to compete in a spirit of friendship and respect. The Olympic Games, which were held every 4 years in honor of Zeus, the king of gods, served as a showcase of athletic skills and a celebration of Greek culture and religion. The Games served as a model for the modern Olympic Games and inspired the creation of similar athletic events in other countries. The principles of the Olympic Games, such as fairness, competition, and respect for one's opponents, continue to inspire athletes and sports fans around the world. The Olympic Games also serve as a symbol of international cooperation and unity, promoting peace and understanding between nations. The ancient stadium of Olympia has had a lasting impact on modern sports and remains a symbol of the Olympic spirit. Its significance as the birthplace of the Olympic Games has inspired the creation of similar athletic events around the world and has helped to promote the principles of fairness, competition, and respect for one's opponents. Today, the ancient stadium of Olympia serves as a symbol of the rich cultural heritage of Greece and the Olympic movement. Its preservation and restoration serve as a testament to the importance of preserving our cultural and athletic heritage for future generations to appreciate and learn from. As we discover the secrets of the ancient stadium of Olympia, we gain a deeper appreciation for the legacy of the Olympic Games and the impact it has had on modern sports. Whether you're a sports fan, a history buff, or simply curious about the birthplace of the Olympic Games, the ancient stadium of Olympia is a sight not to be missed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting historical videos. Also, leave a comment below with your thoughts on the ancient stadium of Olympia and how it continues to inspire us today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.